Howdy, it's your old pal, Platte River Sand, stopping on the river. Got some big old storms moving in, which is so appropriate. Platte River Range playing at the Saddlecreek bar tonight. Got Spiders for Love, Pat Langdon, Brett Saxon from Brooklyn. Gonna be a heck of a show, gonna be a good time. Just had to stop here. This is my spot, you know. You can picture that vista with the sunset and the other half of the island still there. That was the cover picture on the Platte River Range MySpace page. I took that picture a couple years ago. One of my all-time favorites. I missed a piece of island, but had a lot of rain. The river's up today. Sandbars are covered. Kids, don't smoke. Do as I say, not as I do, I believe is the expression. Anyway, I got to get back on the road here. I had to stop and grab some petroleum, so I thought, what the heck, we'll do a little intro here and probably stop on the way back. They say big old storms. I believe it. I see the eagles are starting to fly. Let's see if we can get a little shot of the eagles for y'all. Well, easier said than done. They're there, though. Yeah, they rode the currents up a little faster than I thought they would, so I guess. Sound of the train coming through. We're going to take off for Omaha, the Witch's Nest. Ashley Rainbow. Hi, Ashley Rainbow. Sample Void, where are you? We want you to come talk to us. Anyway, Platte River Sand is off like a dirty shirt. And we'll catch you on the flip-flop.
Back in